Welcome back. After our deep dive into planning for Splunk enterprise security, it's time for the main event, installation. Getting Splunk ES up and running correctly is crucial for harnessing its power to protect your organization. This video is going to walk you through the key steps and considerations, and we're pulling directly from the official documentation for Splunk 8.0.40. Now, relatively, it's always the same. You never know. I can never guarantee that a year from now, 2 years from now, the installation won't change a little bit, but that's what this installation is based off of. And it's been pretty much the same installation since I've been using enterprise security. In this section, we are going to give an overview on how to install enterprise security on a standalone on-premise search head. We're going to go over the specific process for installing enterprise security in a search head cluster environment. We're going to talk about how you deploy the necessary technology add-ons, also known as TAs, how you can integrate Splunk Stream for network data analysis so you can immediately have data coming into your system, configuring and deploying the essential indexes for enterprise security data, how to set up users and roles within enterprise security, and finally, configuring the data models that drive much of ES functionality.